Sorry, teacher, I didn't get your screen.
Oh, sorry. Let me share again. You found it? Okay, you got it, guy?
Yeah, teacher.
You don't print the course book yet?
Actually not yet, teacher.
It's better to print it out, or you can buy at the library to ask them, sorry, at the bookshop to ask them about that type of book so you can buy them. It costs around maybe $12 or 13 maybe. Colorful one. Okay, guys, so let me play the audio for you and you listen to this first.
Sorry, teacher.
Hello.
Can you? Yeah. Sorry. Can you tell again the book title, please?
We call New English File. I will send you the cover of that so you can take this to the bookshop. All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
The cover letter. Okay. So now let me play the audio. Listen to this.
1.
What are you doing?
I'm sending a message to Sarah. 2.
My brother is doing a 2-month course in the UK.
3.
In this picture, the woman is standing near the window.
Okay, so look at this one guy. How do we use the present continuous? There are 3 main points. I have someone to help me and read. Let me have Riek. Okay, Riek, can you help me? Are you there, Riek? Just read the explanation here. The use of present continuous.
Okay. So use the present continuous. There are 3 main. 1, for things that are happening now at this moment. 2, for temporary things that are happening now this week, and go on. And 3, to describe a picture.
Thank you very much. So these are the 3 main points that we use for the present continuous. So the explanation for rule number 1. So something that is happening at the moment of speaking. For example, like Mr. Ray is teaching now. So Mr. Ray is teaching now. It shows you about the activity that is happening now. I am teaching you guys. So Mr. Ray is teaching now. And for the temporary, you know the word temporary? Temporary mean not.
But there are time.
Okay, good. Not permanent, eh? Not permanent. So this one we talk about plan. We can say, for example, like rule number 2, Mr. Ray is having dinner with his family tonight. So now I am in Siem Reap and I'm here on mission, but my family also join me. So I am not having dinner now, but it's a kind of temporary that I will have that one, okay, temporary one. So I am having one, just kind of not yet happened. Okay, we use for rule number 2. And for rule number 3, we use present continuous to talk about description, okay, of a picture. For example, like you see a picture of somebody, example, like you just see a picture of Mr. Ray. So you can say, Mr. Ray is wearing a nice watch, for example, like that. So when you see something in a picture and you want to describe about that, we also use the present continuous. Like Mr. Ray is wearing, sorry, it's wrong. Mr. Ray is wearing a very nice watch. Okay, that's it. So when you describe about a picture, we also use the present continuous. So there are 3 main rules for the present continuous. You got any question before I go through to another point? You got any question, guys? Which point you are not clear? Let me know.
Sure. I have a question on number 2.
Okay, so let me clarify again for number 2. For number 2, we talk about something in Bahasan, okay, temporary. For example, like now, example, who asked me?
Hey, teacher.
Rick, where are you living now,
Yes,
Rick?
yes. Again, teacher. Can you ask me?
Where are you living now?
I'm living at Chomchal.
Chamcha, it is your permanent address or what, or not?
I not clearly. Can you ask me again, teacher?
It is your permanent address or not when you live in Chamcha?
Terminal is mean that it's not my real
It's
house.
not your real, it's not your real location, right?
No, it's my real teacher.
Okay, it's your real location. So now you live in Chamcha, and then you want to tell our friend that you are not at Chamcha, but you are somewhere else for a while. For example, like in Chuk Mie example. So we can say that I am living in Chuk Mie. Okay, I'm living in Chuk Mie. So when you tell everybody that I am living in Chuk Mie, the listener understand that it is not your permanent address. You may stay there for a while, like 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year like that. It's just temporary. It's not your permanent location. But if it is your permanent location, you say that I live in Chuk Mie. Okay, I am living in Chuk Mie for a while, temporary. But if you say I live in Chuk Mie, it means for permanent. You understand? Is it clear now? Okay, what about the other? Anyone? Yes?
Yes, sir, I'm clear now.
Okay, anyone else? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you are clear, no need to go to clean. Just practice exercise. Look at the form. Here's the form for everyone to notice. For positive sentence, subject, okay, plus verb to be can be are, can be am, and sometimes can be is based on the subject. So we use I with am, we use you with they with are, we use he, she, it with is. And the short form for is apostrophe s, short form for are apostrophe re, and for am apostrophe m. So short form. For the negative form, we use with not. Okay, you put not after verb to be. Okay, and plural negative with short form. Am no short form, but for are not we have and. For is not we have isn't. And for the question, you just reverse, put to be first, and then subject, and then verb to be. And for the short answer, yes, I am. No, I'm not. So that the form, I think is easy for you guys. I will not go in detail. I hope you understand this. And then let's go to this one about a spelling rule. Spelling rule is also important for grammar learner because for writing, we need exact, correct spelling. For normal verb, we just put ing form. For example, like cook, we just put ing, we pronounce cooking. Okay, study, we just add ing, we
I'm
pronounce.
sorry, teacher.
Hello?
Do you see a screen, teacher?
Ashia, you don't see that?
Yeah.
But I'm
Can you say it again, teacher?
Can you see it now?
No, teacher.
What about the other?
I see ឃើញធម្មតាទៅចា
I can see clearly, sir.
Oh, what's wrong with her?
Let me join again, teacher.
Okay, let me
Let
try
me
again.
list and then I try again.
Okay. So,
Thank
and the normal rule, we just add ing. And when a verb finish with letter E, we just omit E and then add ing, like live, living. So we cut the final E and add ing. For one verb with one consonant, sorry, with one we call what is it? One syllable, okay? Run. So we just double consonant. When you see a vowel and then you see a consonant, you double consonant, like run. Finish with letter N, one vowel U, and then N. So we double one more N. So we pronounce running. So we double the final consonant and add I and G. This is the rule, okay, for ing form. And look at the comparison between present simple or present continuous. For example, what do you do? Please respond a word from Microsoft. Another question, what are you doing? I'm checking my email. So the first question you ask in general about something that is true, okay, something about your job. And this one we use in present continuous to ask about activity that you see a person is doing right now. So we ask present continuous. All right. So look at this one, the explanation. Also, look at the explanation here for detail. Use the present simple for things that are generally true or always happen. Use the present continuous for an action happening now or at this moment. Normally, you can see the word now, at the moment, right here, like that. And we normally use verbs which describe states or feeling. State of feeling in English, it is called non-action verb. Verb that have no action. For example, like want, need, like. These verbs are called non-action verb. You cannot use these verbs to make into the present continuous. You cannot say, I'm wanting, no. He is needing, no. She is liking, no. We can use that because they are called non-action verbs. Okay, just remember that. We use them only in the present simple tense, not continuous tense. Okay, clear, guys? Any point you are not clear? So if you don't have any question, let's practice exercises. Continue to exercise it. The more you don't know, the more you do, the more you know. The more you practice, just remember that. Practice make perfect. Now, let's try this one first by yourself. 1C, write sentences with the present continuous. Here we go. Number 1 to number 10. So this one, make them into, continuous one, okay? Make them into continuous form. We have positive, question, negative. All right, let's practice doing them now. All right, I think it's not much difficult, so we don't waste time. Let's practice. Let's share me your answer. Boray, what is your answer for number 1?
Number 1, John is wearing a shirt today.
Okay, so number 1, the main form is that is wearing. Number 2, Jerome, number 2.
Oh, sorry, Chair.
Question form.
Chair, could you pass to other one because
Okay,
I'm a
okay.
bit busy. Yeah, sorry.
Amara?
Yeah, teacher, let me try it. For the number 2, why you are wearing a coat? It's hot.
Okay, why? The form is, are you wearing? Why are you wearing a coat? Done. Number 3.
Number 3, Anna isn't sit next to Jen today.
Okay, sit or sitting?
Sit, teacher.
No, present
Sitting.
continuous, we use with ing form. So sit plus ing, sitting. And
Okay,
I
teacher.
is vowel and T consonant. So we double one more consonant T. So the form is isn't.
Isn't sitting.
Number
Okay, got it.
4. Tun,
Sorry, teacher. Number 4 again.
yes.
Number 4. Hey, you standing on my foot.
You stand or you are
You are
standing?
standing. You are
Okay.
standing.
You are standing on my
Foot.
foot. Okay, we don't pronounce food, we pronounce foot. Oh, foot. Food is confused with something you can eat. So this one we pronounce foot. Okay, standing. And the next one, Lisa, number 5.
Number 5. What book are you reading?
Okay, correct. The form is, are you reading? Are you reading? Number 6, Chita.
Number 6. We are we are thinking of you at the moment.
Okay, we are thinking of. Normally, you may ask that teacher, the word think is non-action verb. And why here you can make it into the present continuous. But here's main verb, okay? Think of. When we have the word think plus of, it becomes action verb. Your brains are is working. So we use with thinking of, okay? We can be used with the present continuous. Number 7, Riek.
Number 7. Is she wearing makeup?
Okay, correct. Is she wearing? Okay, is she wearing? So wear makeup means you just make yourself beautiful. Okay, look more beautiful. Team, number 8.
Number 8. They are making a big mistake.
Okay, are making. Okay, are making. Go back to Boray, number 9.
Sorry, teacher. Could you hear me clearly or not?
Yes, of course. Team, of course.
Number
Thank you,
9.
teacher.
Is your mother shopping in town?
Good. Is your mother shopping? Okay, with double P. Is your mother shopping? And number 10, Rome, can you or not?
Yeah, okay. I'm
Okay,
ready.
number 10.
Sure. Okay, so she isn't living with her parent at the moment.
Okay, she isn't, or we can say she is not. Okay, both are okay. Perfect, right? It's correct.
Okay, yeah.
Now we move to another part regarding about present simple or the present continuous. Which one you choose? The girl in the painting is playing the guitar. Okay, so this one example. Now let's do it. 1 to number what? Number 10. All right. Choose one.